But very important customer, this is Benjamin for Aomeisi security camera company. Today show this very nice 604 solar battery camera with two lines. Bullet line you can adjust to 1, 2, 3 manual angle and have a automatically pan tilt function. This pan function and tilt function. Inside box we have a solar panel, mounting brick for the solar panel, user manual, and a camera body. And you can install this mounting brick for the camera to the tree or wall like that. And do this. Perfect. Like this or like this. The first step you have to turn it on. Press this power button and the camera will be turned on. That means this camera is already on. And the second step we have to reset this camera, and we use this little reset pen to reset camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the camera will be reset. And
please configure the network.
That means this camera is already reset. And we go to the App Store on Google Play, download the Eseecloud application. My phone is Android phone, so I just go to the Google Play, search Eseecloud application, Eseecloud. This little blue icon, we download this one. I already have it, so I just click it. And it's open it. So just open it. Eseecloud application. Click top right corner, there's add button. Add a device.
A device to be added has been found. Please click the add button to add the device.
And we can just click this add button. Add. And input your Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi password. Next.
Please confirm the Wi-Fi name and password again.
GHz Wi-Fi and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Awesome. And confirm. Network connecting. Dun, dun. That's me.
Please wait.
Wireless setting, please wait, and the camera will be connected to the Wi-Fi.
The wireless connection is successful.
Connection successful, and you can name your camera at any name. I named it to the AWTS604. And it already have an image. Next. Perfect. And you can have 2 images. And if there are any other questions, please email us at support@aomeisi.vip. You are the very important person to us. Enjoy your camera, enjoy your life. Life is fantastic.